Hello friends, welcome to the unboxing and quick setup of the D-Link M30 AX3000 Wi-Fi 6 mesh router. Let's get started. It has 360 degrees spherical coverage, it supports mesh network, it has ultra fast speed and gigabit connectivity. Inside the box you'll find the D-Link M30 router main unit, a power adapter to provide supply to the router, an Ethernet cable for connectivity through LAN, and a quick installation guide for a basic setup. Connect the internet cable in the WAN port of the router, plug in the power adapter in the power port, switch on the power to the router. Initially the LED will turn red and after some time it will show blinking in orange. Install the Aquila Pro AI app on your mobile. I've already installed it. Click on open button. You need to create an account first by clicking on create account and sign up using your Gmail or any other email account. I've already created an account, so I'm going to log in using my credentials. So after entering the email ID and password, click on sign in button. Click on install new device. You need to scan the QR code which is located in the bottom of the router. Click on the scan button below. Now scan the QR code which is located at the back. Click on setup as router. Ensure that the internet cable is connected in the WAN port or the internet port of the router and click on next. Ensure that the power is on and click on router is on. Ensure that the LED is blinking orange on the router and click on the button below. Now you need to click on the connect button to connect to the device. We need to wait for a while the device is getting searched. It will ask you to set up your router. If your connection type is PPPoE, enter the username and password. If not, click on the button skip for now. Wait for a while. Enter the Wi-Fi name and Wi-Fi password that you want to set for this router. I've kept it as D-Link Home. Enter the Wi-Fi password of your choice. Click on the next button. Set your device a name and set your device password below. Now click on the next button. It will show you the summary of whatever credentials we have entered. You can take a screenshot by clicking on the screenshot button and then click on the next button. It will take a while to process. Once it is done, it will show as 99 to 100%. Now click on the finish button. You will see your M30 router is online now. If you click on the M30 model, it will show you that your internet status is connected and your client is showing connected. You will see that the light is solid white on the router, which will indicate the router is online. Thank you so much for watching this video.